Hey weirdos, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back. If you are new here, welcome. Hi, I'm Marlakris. So I did a thing. I did some extensions. I'm going to show you how to do it in another video. Don't worry. But today we're going to dip over them. I'm going to use some gel nail wraps from Danny and Tony. You guys know how much I love these. And I'm going to use this giant vat of whipped cream bikini. This is from the Nudie Patootie collection that I did with Sassy Mouth Dip Powder. It will be available down below. So we're going to jump right in. I am not using peel off base coat. Pause for reaction. I know. I did these extensions. They were done with no gel. I glued them on. I'll leave that video up in the cards if it is up. If it's not, it will be coming soon, so stay tuned. Consider subscribing if you want to see it. So I'm going to get right into dip powder. I'm going to do 2 full coats of whipped cream bikini on all of my nails, and then we're going to do the little accent later on. These gel nail wraps are perfect for 4th of July. I realize that's today, and you can't get them. Well, you can, but they won't be here in time for the holidays since we are on holiday. I make no sense. But maybe for next year, possibly, perhaps, or if you feel like being patriotic any other time of the year, go ahead and pick them up. They have so many other designs on their website for literally every occasion, and they also have very basic full color gel wrap sets if you don't feel like doing dip powder, or if you don't want to apply gel polish that day. These are super easy to use as a replacement. So if you're wondering how I am applying dip over these extensions, all I did was buff away the shine from the extension, and I'm going right in with my dip base. And if you're wondering how long these lasted me, considering I did very minimal prep on my nails before applying the extensions. I did not buff my natural nail. I did cuticle work because that's just what I do, but I did very minimal prep and didn't really prep my extension very well for dip, just buff the shine away from them. I am still looking at them right now. I did cut them down because I cannot function with extensions. I don't know how y'all do it. More power to you if you can. I am literally useless with long nails. I cannot type. I cannot text. I can't open anything. I'm like completely and totally handicapped with nails on. So if you're wondering how long they last me, they're on my nails right now. I did this set a week ago. So they have lasted me a full week. I have no lifting, no issues, nada. However, I will tell you that your nails are probably different than my nails. If your nails require more prep in order for products to adhere, you're probably going to want to do massive prep to put on extensions. And they do soak off because I did not use gel. They soak off, well, hopefully. I'm going to soak off today and do another set. But I'm anticipating they soak off pretty easily. I have a feeling they will because when I did the extensions, I made an oopsie and I applied one of the nails super crooked and had to remove it and do it again. And the tip itself soaked off in about 3 to 4 minutes. So I'm optimistic. I will keep you posted in the extension video coming up soon. Anyway, went ahead and did my first full dip. I realize I'm not doing a whole lot of instruction during this because it is such a basic dip. And if you want a very beginner friendly start to finish walkthrough tutorial on how to do dip nails at home, I will leave that up in the cards for you to check out. I'm going to go ahead and get a second dip on, and then I'm going to clear encapsulate per my usual, activate, file buff the whole thing. I'm going to do all that off camera though. Well, not all of it, just the filing and buffing. Here's what it looks like in 2 coats. This milky white is literally the perfect milky white. I love it with my whole entire heart. If you haven't grabbed it yet, I would highly recommend it. Yes, I am biased because it's partially my baby. I mean, I share custody with Sassy Mouth, but it's ours and we love her. So I'm going to go ahead with my clear. This is DNI Dip Nailed It. This is her clear. I love it so much. I'm going to get this on all the nails, activate, file and buff. If you want to see how I file and buff my nails, I will leave that also up in the cards so you can check it out. When I come back, I'm going to show you how to apply these nail wraps. So here are the nail wraps. They come in a dark packaging, which is great because that means they won't cure because they cure in light, right? So you're going to see me hiding them under the dark packaging just to make sure I don't cure them under my LED overhead light. So I'm going to go ahead, remove plastic from the top, remove my nail wrap. You do want to size up because your nail is now round and bulky from all the product you put on it. So I would definitely size up with your nail wrap. They are stretchy and malleable, so you can kind of customize this to the shape and length of your own nail. And I'm just gonna kind of press it on, move it around, stretch it out, get it to fit my nail perfectly. And then I'm going to cure and cut/file away any excess. These are so easy. I know you've heard me say it before. If you haven't, I'll leave one of my first videos with Danny and Tony up in the cards. They really are so easy to apply. They're so easy to remove. They peel right off. Yes, they do last. They will last on your nails. But when you want to remove them, you take an orange wood stick, slide it in between your nail or your product and your nail wrap. They peel right off so easily. They do not damage my nails. I've used them on my daughter's nails. They don't damage their nails. I love these nail wraps. And thank you to Danny and Tony for sending over more stuff for me to play with and sponsoring a portion of this video. I super appreciate that. And thank you guys for watching. You are the reason I do this, and you are the reason I can continue doing this. So I appreciate you guys. Woohoo! I'm getting all emotional. Anyway, applying nail wraps. As you can see, I'm smoothing everything out. You want to make sure they're perfect for you before you cure them, because when you cure them, that's where they're going to be. I did cure them for 30 seconds in the little lamp that Danny and Tony sent over with the package. They do have a nail lamp on their website. I don't think it's very expensive, maybe $20, but you can get the nail lamp, or you can use whatever lamp you already have. The kits do come with scissors and a file, so I'm going to use those two things to get these into shape, and then we're going to top coat. So I went ahead and cured my gel top for a full minute. This is the finished look. I could not be happier with the way these came out. Absolutely beautiful. I was super excited to wear these for a week. I had no regrets. I'm going to go ahead and finish up with my Candi Skin Care cuticle oil. This month, we are donating, both Sassy Mouth and I, and Candi Skin Care, we are donating portions of proceeds for this cuticle oil and for the new duo from Sassy Mouth. I'll leave that up in the cards for you. We are donating to St. Jude for the month of July. So if you want to support a great org and hydrate your cuticles, take care of your nails at the same time, this is a great way to do it. Thank you guys again so much for hanging out. I hope you have a great 4th of July, and I will catch you in the next one. Love you. Bye.